Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to highlight one green flag for Lucid stock in 2023 and beyond. Of course, one of the major tailwinds for Lucid is going to be this rising consumer demand for electric vehicles, but even without that consumer demand, the company already has a very nice commitment from the Saudi Arabian government for up to 100,000 vehicle purchases. Deliveries are going to start on this commitment starting in 2023. So starting this year, they're going to start delivering these vehicles. It's up to 100,000. That commitment is for 50,000 vehicles. And then the Saudi Arabian government has the option for another 50,000 on top of that. And so the company's really ramping up production. That's really the story for Lucid stock. And given that it has this commitment from the Saudi Arabian government, it makes it so that it can ramp up production knowing that it's got these orders in its pocket, right? It knows it has these customers. It knows it has buyers for at least these 50,000 cars and then maybe another 50,000 on top of that. So it's really comforting. It gives management a lot of confidence when you know you've got this purchase commitment. It allows you to ramp up production knowing that you have this guaranteed. And speaking about production, the company had record quarterly production of 2,282 vehicles in the third quarter. That was more than triple the production in the second quarter. So it's really gaining momentum here. Of course, it's got 3.85 billion in cash and it's building out facilities. Let's go to that slide down here. It's AMP2 in Saudi Arabia. Construction is underway in this facility. Lucid plans to establish operations for reassembly of Lucid Air vehicles that are pre-manufactured in the U.S. AMP1 facility in Casa Grande, Arizona. So this facility has the potential to manufacture up to 155,000 vehicles per year. The AMP1 facility in Casa Grande, Arizona, the expansion will increase the installed capacity to 90,000 vehicles per year in 2023 and add an additional 2.85 million square feet. So this is a big boost from where they were in the previous quarter we mentioned. And then Lucid just gave an update for the fourth quarter on January 12. Lucid said it produced 3,493 vehicles in the fourth quarter. This was up 53% sequentially, quarter over quarter. This is big growth. They produced 7,180 vehicles in 2022, exceeding its guidance for 6,000 to 7,000 vehicles. So they beat their guidance. And this was for the quarter ended in December 31, 2022. So look, we're talking about 7,000 vehicles in 2022, all of 2022, but now they're looking to expand capacity to 90,000 in 2023. So maybe this happens in 2023, maybe it slows down, maybe it has some hiccups, but certainly you can expect this kind of production in 2024, right? If they're going to have the capacity within 2023, let's say they reach this capacity in 2023 and then really in 2024 is when it ramps up to this level. That's a big increase from 7,000 vehicles produced in 2022. So they're really growing. They've got the orders for they've got buyers, right? They've got backlogs in terms of buyers in terms for its cars, and so it's just a matter of ramping this production up, doing it effectively, doing it efficiently, and getting it to customers in a good time so that they don't cancel these orders. So Lucid really has tailwinds behind it, and it could really grow over these next few years. So this is a stock, this is a company that investors should really keep an eye on. Now it's a really risky stock, and these tailwinds are arguably already priced into the stock because of its very expensive valuation. Investors know about these headwinds. This is not very much of a secret in the marketplace, but if it can execute, the execution side of it arguably may not be into the price, right? So the tailwinds, the potential is there. The execution may or may not be. So this is something, a tailwind to keep an eye out for. A green flag for Lucid stock in 2023 and beyond. It's likely going to spill over. All right, so that's all I've got for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.